Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 11 in my 12 Days of Christmas, we're going to be working on this Midnight Winter Winds design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Sticky Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using Holo Silent Night along with Scattered Holo Taco, as well as ILNP VIP for the stamping. For today's stamping, I'm going to be using the MoYou London Sailor Collection 07 plate, and I'm going to be using this swirly design down in the corner. Once I have it picked up on my stamper, I'm going to apply it to my nail, and then I'm pretty much immediately going to add some top coat to reactivate the magnetic and apply a velvet effect with my Horseshoe Magnet, where I do also have a small piece of sponge to help balance my finger. I'm going to go ahead and do some cleanup using a Q-tip for some of this overstamping. You could also apply some protection beforehand if you want. And then I'm going to go in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. The accent nails already have their top coat. I'm going to go ahead and finish the others. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like the way this turned out. Although the combination is a little bit subtle at some angles, I was really pleased with how the magnetic reactivated with the top coat, and overall stamping with the magnetic was a lot easier than I anticipated. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time here so you can appreciate the sparkle. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that will be up tomorrow, as well as day 12 over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.